Hey, it's Don the Prosthetic Pyro, and today we are going to do an unboxing of Phantom Fireworks Rolling Thunder assortment. This I've had for quite a while, actually found it in a closet. I figure it's probably about 5 years old. So there are things in it that are not in the new Rolling Thunder assortment, but for the most part it's still pretty much the same. I believe I got it at Phantom, probably on coupon for about 50 bucks. So here we go, let's see what's in it. Okay, first off, we have 6 8-ball Roman candles. This is your standard Roman candles. We have 1 strip of Wolfpack firecrackers, a 100 count strip. We got a pack of jumping jacks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 7 more packs of jumping jacks. We have a 25-shot Saturn missile battery. We have a 36-shot Happy Planet. This I know is not in the newer version. I believe they have a 49 Crackling Comets or something now. 7-shot Toot and Twirl. We have 1 tank. We have 2 tanks. We have Yellow Jackets, which is a hybrid fountain / aerial. Starts as a fountain and then shoots flaming balls. We have a pack of 12 baby sunflowers. We have 2 larger sunflowers. We have, well, they used to call them silver jets. I don't know what they call them now. Looks like a pill. Spins up like a sunflower. I don't really like them that much. They tend to go wherever they want. We got a package of Wolfpack snaps. We have a package of happiness fountains. Always like these. Package of ground bloom flowers. We have 2 they're not firecrackers. They sent out like little flashes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 firecrackers. I think they're M88s or something. We got a package of Galaxy 7-inch assorted floral shells. I have a few of these in the garage. They're not bad for their size. We got a Copperhead mini shell kit. Small little mortar, 6 shots. We got 2 packages of rockets, 6 each. We got flying colored pearls. And clustering bees. We got 2 packages of extra long Morning Glory sparklers. We got 2 packages of regular Morning Glory sparklers. We got a package of Wolfpack whistling bottle rockets. And we got a package of just standard bottle rockets. And then we have 1, 2, 3, we have 5 packs of Wolfpack firecrackers, 16 count. And that is everything that is in the assortment. It's not a bad entry-level assortment. It's the first assortment I ever bought from Phantom. Better probably for little kids, but it does the trick for, you know, a good starter. Alright, this is Don, the Prosthetic Pyro, saying goodnight. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.